Okay guys, something a little different today. I've been having a little mess around with some lever padlocks. What we've got here is a Fire Brigade padlock. It's a number 14 4 lever. And also this little one here, which is just a little 2 lever. I'll just show you the keys on these. There we have the key there for the 4 lever lock, which is working fine with the key. There's a key there for the 2 lever. Again, working fine with the key. That's my little pick that I've made there. Basically it's just an old Belfry brand key which I've filed down, keeping the end piece there, which is what I'm going to use to pick the levers. I'm going to tension the lock with just a small screwdriver. Have a go at this one first, the 2 lever. I actually find this one the harder of the 2, maybe because it's a bit older, a bit rusty, don't know. We'll give it a go anyway. Feels like I've got it there, but oh, there we go. I did have it. It's just the bar there that you're tensioning, that you're pushing on, is a bit rusty. It just needed a bit of forcing. Okay, there we go. There's that one. Give this one a go. This one I actually find easier, probably because it's newer, not so rusty. And there we go, there's that one picked. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Keep watching, so we'll be posting some more videos soon. Please leave your comments and please rate the video. Cheers.